Got a good bit point in the past couple of days. Was hoping to get this big waft finished today, and just leaving a little bit for Sunday Monday, but it's -5 today, so I doubt I'm going to be using that. It's meant to be frosty again tonight, so I think I'm going to chance it. Got a couple of stains to take out there and up there, so I'll get that done. It's looking good though, that's it. It's all covered. Somebody was asking me last night what it is. That's the aggregate company. That's look we're going for. This stain's about 50mm back, and you get that 10 replaced. Need to sort out this mess here. Well, grinder, some new stain put in. Cut this, checked it around that other stain there, so it's tighten it in.